wife and I were on vacation. We were coming down in January and going to stay for a couple of months. And I went out for a walk one day, just down the street where I've walked before. I stepped off the curb, happened to step into a hole. I caught my foot and tripped and just fell right down and fell on my right side. And as soon as I fell, I felt a pain in my hip, and all of a sudden didn't seem like I had any strength in my leg. And instead of going right to the hospital, I decided to try and spend the night here in the condo. Spent the first night in the condo. First thing the next morning, I decided it was time to go to the emergency room over at Health City.
And went in, told them what had happened. They started their blood draws. The ER doctor came in, ordered x-rays, got x-rays back quite quickly. Dr. Devinder happened to be in the hospital and came in and explained that he had broken his hip and that he was going to have hip replacement surgery.
He and the other people went out of their way to make me feel comfortable so that I wasn't nervous or concerned about the surgery or anything at all like that. Also, I was told, obviously, after the surgery that the surgery went fine, there were no complications, everything was as it was supposed to be, and that with the physical therapy, I should be up and around in no time. And slowly but surely, they got me up and walking with the assistance of a walker to start with, and then slowly but surely they would kind of wean me off the walker so that I could get up and start moving around on my own.
They gave us the walker at the hospital, so that was provided. We just didn't have to ask for anything. They were anticipating what we needed, and I think particularly because we're not locals, we're not living here, they knew we were under sort of a different kind of stress. And I feel like they recognized that and did more than you would expect.
I couldn't be more pleased with what they did. I couldn't be more thankful. Like I say, they took probably better care of me than I deserved. Let me put it that way. Yeah.
I would say on a scale of 1 to 10, we're sitting at a 12 or 13. It was far more than I ever would have expected. We couldn't have felt any more grateful that if something like this had happened, that it happened in Grand Cayman, and we had Health City available to us to take care of us.